Welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce one of our installations that we've carried out. So what we've been working on is 22 Hyundai i10s, all identical and all on behalf of Rotherham City Council. We're based in Cambridge and our workshop facilities are based in Cambridge. Rotherham City Council will purchase 22 vehicles from our local Hyundai dealership, and what we've done is worked in partnership with our local main dealer to achieve the unbelievable. So what we've added to this vehicle has all been done prior to the Rotherham City Council taking delivery of their vehicles. What we've added to this vehicle is PSI stickers on all four corners of the vehicle, first aid kit, fire extinguisher, as well as a speed limiter system. So that's gone across all the entire fleet identical, as well as a 70-mile-an-hour speed limiter sign on the back of the vehicle as well. So all this has been done prior to Rotherham City Council collecting their vehicles, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to handing all these vehicles over to them and showing them exactly what we've done, how everything works, and it's really straightforward. We've also given a full set of instructions on everything we've done and also a spec sheet. One of the cool things as well that we've done is our sign writing. So what we've done, the customer also requested that they wanted fleet numbers located on the front right wheel arches and left wheel arch. So that's all been carried out as well, all from our workshop facilities in Cambridge, as well as the fact we've added in the Rotherham City Council logo onto the sides of the vehicle. So if you see these vehicles, please bear in mind that we've done this work all the highest possible installation standards. So if you're interested in any commercial installation or fleet installations, feel free to get in touch with us. We can also work mobile, but the majority of our work is all carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge, and we have facilities to be able to store vehicles and keep them safe while we're working on them as well. So first of all, thank you very much for watching this short video. If you like this video or find this content useful, feel free to get in touch with us, and please don't forget to like and share this video, as well as follow us on all our social media platforms to keep up to date with our latest installations. So we also have a full dedicated commercial team that can come out, see you, design your system, design exactly how you want everything spec'd on your fleet. And we do everything from sign writing to speed limiters to cruise control systems to vehicle security. It's all listed on our website, so feel free to check that out. But thank you very much once again, and we look forward to upgrading your fleet soon. Thank you.